Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring the beautiful coastal paradise of Goa, a place known for its sandy beaches, vibrant nightlife, Portuguese heritage, and, of course, its stunning landscapes. Whether you're here for the party scene, the beaches, or the rich history, Goa has something for everyone. So, let's dive in and explore the top 10 places to visit in Goa. 1. Baga Beach. Our first stop is Baga Beach, one of the most famous beaches in Goa. Whether you are looking for water sports, beach clubs, or just a peaceful sunset view, Baga has it all. You'll find great shacks, delicious seafood, and an exciting nightlife scene. If you are into water activities like parasailing and jet skiing, Baga Beach is the place to be. 2. Palolem Beach. Next, we're heading to the picturesque Palolem Beach in South Goa. This beach is known for its crescent-shaped coastline and tranquil waters, perfect for a relaxing day in the sun. It's quieter compared to the northern beaches, making it ideal for a peaceful retreat. Don't forget to take a boat ride to Butterfly Beach nearby for some stunning views. 3. Fort Aguada. Moving on, we've got Fort Aguada, one of the most iconic landmarks in Goa. This 17th century Portuguese fort offers panoramic views of the Arabian Sea. The fort also houses a lighthouse and was historically used to defend Goa against pirate attacks. It's an excellent spot for history buffs and those looking for great photo opportunities. 4. Anjuna Beach. Next up, let's check out Anjuna Beach. Famous for its vibrant vibe, Anjuna is the place to be for the party-loving crowd. Whether you're here for the full moon parties, the colorful flea market, or just to soak in the lively atmosphere, Anjuna has it all. Be sure to check out Anjuna's sunset, it's one of the best you'll experience in Goa. 5. Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Heading inland, we've got the stunning Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Located on the Goa-Karnataka border, these majestic falls cascade down from a height of over 300 meters. A jeep ride or a trek through the forest will lead you to this awe-inspiring sight, making it a perfect adventure for nature lovers. 6. Chapora Fort. Next is Chapora Fort, one of the most famous forts in Goa, often remembered for its appearance in the movie Dil Chahta Hai. Located on a hilltop, the fort offers breathtaking views of the Vagita Beach and the Arabian Sea. It's a great spot for those who love history and scenic views. 7. Basilica of Bom Jesus. For those interested in Goa's rich colonial history, the Basilica of Bom Jesus is a must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site in Old Goa is famous for its beautiful Baroque architecture and the remains of Saint Francis Xavier, which are preserved inside the church. It's a peaceful and spiritual place to explore. 8. Kalangute Beach. Next, we have Kalangute Beach, the queen of beaches in Goa. Known for its lively atmosphere, great beach resorts, and plenty of shops and restaurants, Kalangute offers everything from water sports to beach lounging. Whether you want to relax or get active, this beach is a great option. 9. Spice Plantations. Goa is also famous for its spice plantations, and Sahakari Spice Plantation is one of the best places to visit. Here, you can take a guided tour to learn about the cultivation of spices like cardamom, pepper, and cloves. You can also enjoy a traditional Goan lunch at the plantation. 10. Vagita Beach. Last but not least, we've got Vagita Beach, a beautiful beach located in North Goa. Known for its cliffs, stunning sunsets, and relaxed vibe, Vagita is the perfect place for a peaceful day by the sea. The beach is surrounded by lush palm trees, giving it an intimate, secluded feel. It's perfect for a more quiet and serene experience. Closing. So, that wraps up our tour of the top 10 places to visit in Goa. Whether you're here for the beautiful beaches, rich history, or vibrant nightlife, Goa offers something for everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Which place in Goa is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!